Well, hello everybody, this is Mac and we are working on parallel and perpendicular lines. As a reminder, parallel lines mean they never touch and the slopes are going to be the same, the m's. Perpendicular lines cross to make a 90-degree angle. And when they do that, they are opposite they're opposite inverses. For example, if you have 2 over 3, an opposite inverse, opposite means you change the sign, inverse means you flip. So if both of those things happen, you know you have a perpendicular line. Step number 1 is just to find out your m's. Now this one, y equals mx plus b, well, your m is 3. I'm just going to write it as 3 over 1 because that does help us. Now point slope. What's your slope in this one? Slope is 3 or 3 over 1. They're the same. These are parallel lines, okay? And I'm just going to write them like that so you know they're parallel, okay? Number 2, this is y equals mx plus b. Your slope is a negative 5, okay? This one is going to be a positive 1/5. These are perpendicular lines, opposite inverses. Okay, so now we're using a point slope and a y equals mx plus b. That's crazy. Y equals mx plus b, 1/4. This is point slope. The number in front of the parentheses is your slope. That's also 1/4. These are parallel lines. Okay. Number 4, we have a slope right here. This is point slope form. It's going to be -1. And this one, well, what's in front of this is y equals mx plus b. Your m is 1. Okay. Are these opposite inverses? Well, -1 over 1 or positive 1 over 1. Well, think about it. Let's change the sign. Positive. Great. Let's flip them. Is 1 over 1 flipped to 1 over 1? Well, yeah, they actually are. So these would be perpendicular lines. Okay? Y equals mx plus b. Slope is 2. Point slope. Slope is 2. Parallel lines. They're the same. Let's go on to number 6. Point slope form. My slope is -2. Y equals mx plus b, positive. So a -2 over 1 and a positive 1 over 2. Okay, those are opposite and flipped. Those are perpendicular lines. Let's look at number 7. Okay, y minus 4 equals x minus 6. Well, that would be, what if I put this in parentheses? What number could I put in front and it doesn't change it? And the answer is a 1. So the slope right here is just 1. Okay, or 1 over 1. The slope here is a -1. And we already talked about that in the other one. The signs are different, and if you flip them, they're both 1 over 1. So these are indeed perpendicular lines. Number 8, we have y equals mx plus b, and our slope is 6. Right here, we have the point slope, and our slope is -1 over 6. Well, 6 is like 6 over 1. If I flip 6 over 1, I get 1/6. We change our sign. These are indeed perpendicular lines. Number 9, y equals mx plus b. Our slope is 4, or 4 over 1. Here, what's our slope? Our slope is 2, or 2 over 1. That's nothing. This is none. Okay, or they're just normal lines. Okay, they're not parallel or perpendicular. Okay, this one, point slope. This is my m, -3, or -3 over 1. Y equals mx plus b. This is my slope. It's 1/3. Okay, they're flipped. Signs are different. These are perpendicular lines. Okay, I hope this is all starting to make a little bit of sense to you. You had to do a little bit more than an A, but not much. But now let's really change them around. And if you want to get the full extent of how they can answer these problems, make sure you go to C. Okay, good job, everybody. I'll see you on that one.